Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday evening at a little after about 9:30. Tracking another clear, cool, and dry night. Decent day today with the sunshine. We topped out at 60 degrees. We're looking at pictures of EASTON'S Beach down in Newport with good visibility and temperatures that are slowly dropping through the 40s and then eventually heading down into the 30s during the overnight. These are our low temps early this morning. We just missed at least tying the record low in Providence. The record was 36 degrees set back in the 1966. We were at 37 this morning. Wednesday morning, it was down to 34 in Smithfield. And we are setting up for another chilly night. We don't have any frost advisories or freeze warnings nearby, but a touch of frost can't be ruled out. And then you look at the high temp today, and we actually recovered to the lower 60s, and notice even the coastline made it to 60. Sea breeze, not much of an influence along the coast, so places like Newport and Westerly were able to get up to 60. A little milder for Thursday afternoon. We're forecasting mid-60s. So here's the deal. We're fairly quiet tonight, and right on through Thursday, threat tracker low-level green. Getting somewhat concerned, at least a little bit here, for Friday. Here's the deal. We're going to, we may need a pinpoint weather alert here, so just kind of an early heads up. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. The first round is going to be very early in the morning on either side of sunrise. That should end fairly quickly. And then we'll get into a bit of a lull. Actually, a better part of the day. It'll be dry, breezy, and warm, partly sunny skies. And then round two by late day and early evening, like 7, 8 o'clock in the evening on Friday. And the concern here is that some of these storms may be strong to borderline severe. It's a couple of days away, and I think our weather team will have a better handle on this as new data comes in overnight and into tomorrow. But check back with us, especially as to how it all plays out on Friday evening. In the meantime, not a cloud to be found anywhere in New England with crystal clear skies. Tracking precipitation, moisture across the northern plains and across the south. And this will all head out into our area later tomorrow night. Now, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. It's dry. We've got a decent day. This precipitation is still back in here. Doesn't get in until later Thursday night, like around midnight and thereafter. Now, this is round one for Friday morning early. What do we mean by early? Well, 5, 6 a.m., 7 o'clock in the morning. Some showers, maybe a few downpours. And then watch how this pulls away. And here we are in the afternoon on Friday, and we're in a bit of a lull where it's breezy. We'll get some partial sunshine. It's fairly quiet. It'll warm up into at least in the perhaps mid-70s inland away from the coast. Right in here, a front with some strong storms. Now, watch what happens towards evening, and you can see this line firing up right in here. Thursday evening between roughly 6 and about 9 o'clock in the evening. And so we're going to watch this very closely to see how this plays out as far as the severity of some of these storms. In fact, severe storm outlook for Friday, Severe Storms Prediction Center, that's a branch of the National Weather Service, actually has southern New England in this light green, which is a general thunderstorm forecast. You see the scale right up in here. And right in here, it's kind of elevated to marginal. This may get extended a little further to the east, I think. So, again, this is kind of usually an early tip-off that some of these storms may be strong. Let's get back to now Thursday, and we'll set this into motion, get rid of my head here, and we can see all the data. And we're clear, chilly overnight. Here we are at 9 o'clock in the morning, in the afternoon, clouds increasing. And then, can I play this back? That kind of went right by me. No? Okay. Anyway, I forgot to put those pause points in there. But you get the idea. Thursday day is, it's nice, it's dry. We've got some sunshine, some late day clouds. And the precipitation that we're expecting Thursday night doesn't really get in until like around midnight, 11 o'clock. So that's the deal. In fact, here we go. We can talk about tomorrow in more detail here, hour by hour. Sunshine Thursday morning, chilly at 6 a.m. But by 11 a.m., it's jumped up to 60. And we are in the mid-60s on Thursday afternoon with sun through late-day clouds. Now, keep in mind, I would subtract maybe 10 degrees along the coast. So while inland areas, 65. Coastline with a sea breeze, more than likely in the mid and upper 50s. It'll be a little cooler there. All right, let's show you the 7-day forecast. Friday, again, I think most of the daylight hours is actually dry. So again, how it breaks down is round one is very early in the morning, and then a lull of several hours of just warm and dry weather. And then round two by early evening and around sunset is that round two that we're a little concerned about as far as the strength of some thunder. Saturday looking good, some sunshine, 72, and we're optimistic here on Sunday. Even though it's a cooler day at 63, we're going to keep the daylight hours dry. We'll bring in some showers on Sunday night. One thing that's really changed, and this really bugs me, because this advertised warm-up for next week has now been put on hold, at least Monday and Tuesday. We're seeing signs of a storm system here stalling offshore with a raw east-northeast wind, showers, drizzle. And look at these temps. Our long-range forecast actually had it warming up during this time period. Now we've had to cut that back and maybe delay this big warming trend resuming not until perhaps the end of next week. So we'll keep you updated on that. But, yeah, that's unfortunate. In the meantime, though, Thursday day is a decent day. And then watching Friday closely, I think more so Friday evening. And Saturday looking nice. Sunday not bad, a little cooler. But at least the daylight hours are dry. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.